living life in the down.
So we arrived yesterday in St. Lucia, and from what we've seen so far, everything looks absolutely incredible. This is the view from our room. So we are staying at Winderjammer Landings in Castries, and it was about like an hour and a half from the airport, which wasn't too bad. We're really lucky. We have a tour guide called Chad who's with Island Living, and he was really great. He picked us up, so we got to see some beautiful scenic routes, and we stopped over for a rum punch, and it was a really great evening. We were just so tired. So today we woke up really early because of the time difference. We're still not used to, our body hasn't adapted yet. But today we're going to Pigeon Island. So we're going there in about an hour. We got breakfast included with our hotel deals, so that's really handy because then we can just quickly eat and then just set off and start our day. And we have a beach right directly on our hotel, which is amazing. And we saw the sunset yesterday and it was just so beautiful. This island, I'm already like in awe of it. It's just so beautiful from what I've seen so far. So let's see what today has for us. Yay! So I'll take you on the tour of the room. It's quite big and I'm quite amazed that we actually have this for ourselves. It's a little bit messy, so ignore the mess. So it's a bit dark. Let me put the lights on. So we have a little kitchen area, which is really cool. So we have a fridge and a freezer. So we have all our drinks stocked up, ready for our day. So we have a little kitchen area. So if you want to heat something up, that's handy. We've got a little seating area. This is the balcony. So we have 2 rooms down there. There's 2 rooms. There's one room down there with a bathroom, separate bathroom. And then again, another bedroom, which is also a little bit messy. So ignore the mess. We literally just woke up. So this is another room. This is going into the bathroom, which is super cute. Lovely bathtub, nice setting. So that's our room. So we are going up Pigeon Island, and I've got my crew here.
Good morning.
Got Chad here showing us the way.
Yeah.
So how long is the hike?
As long as Hannah decides to. It's going to take us about 10 minutes up there.
Yeah.
Alright, not wrong. We're going to go around the bottom and then we're going to head up past the cemetery.
Ooh.
Oh, cemetery.
Yeah.
And so the entrance fee was how much? $10?
$10.
10 US dollars to do this Pigeon Island tour.
Gives you basically, it's just access to the park. You can spend the entire day if you want. To the beach or whatever. Hey, I'm fine. You okay?
I'd expect to pay anyways, because it's like the National Trust in the UK, right? Like when you go to a public area, you always pay to keep it maintained.
That's correct.
Very true.
It's,
And there's beaches everywhere here.
a good call.
Restroom.
We made it to the top. We made it to the floor, and we're here. It was tiring, but we made it.
Admiral Rodney, who was the last British admiral to have won the war between the French and the British for St. Lucia, because they battled 14 times, changed hands 14 times. Admiral Rodney decided to build this fort so he can keep his eye on Martinique. So it wasn't easy for the French to just come across. Martinique is up to this day still ruled by France. So that's where Fort Rodney comes from, and Rodney Bay gets its name. And the last British admiral to have won the last war between them, the 14th battle.
So we're back back at the hotel. We just did Pigeon Island. We went to the beach for a bit. It's very, very hot here, so we're having lunch now. We're really hungry. And we're having rock lunch, yay! So this is the hotel, at the beach at the hotel. And we have live singing over there. And all these guys are on their phones. Sociable bunch.
That's
the one.
Mud baths, yeah.
Yes. We can already kind of smell the sulphur, right? Like ever so slightly. So we just visited this restaurant. What was it called?
The Ladera.
Ladera.
The restaurant was called Dasheene.
Yeah, it smells strong. And just check out the view and the menu. It looked good. A bit pricey, but view was amazing. So we're on our way to the not the spa. We're saying the volcano. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. So we are currently at...
We're at the warm Peter Falls, okay? Which this comes from underground, natural spring water from the center of Sulphur where the volcano is. So obviously because of all the action over there, you get warm springs over here. And the Piton, the small mountain, it's there. It's actually a dormant lava dome.
Oh.
So like it's a volcano that didn't pop its top, so that's what these are.
And we just finished lunch at a lovely little place, which was
Montu Barrel. It used to be a plantation area that did cocoa and coffee beans. Now they do lunch and tours.
There you go. And the mud bath was amazing. My skin feels so soft, and these guys are having a lovely time, aren't you guys?
Yeah, having a fantastic time.
So today we are doing the sunset cruise, and that starts from I think 2:30. We're going to Marigot Bay, which would be really cool because we haven't actually been there yet, so it'd be nice to see what it's like in person. So yeah, that's our day for today. I'm excited. So unfortunately we're at the end of our holiday. Today we're leaving. We're just soaking up a bit more sun until we have to go. Our flight's at 8 PM, so we've got a bit more time in the day to just go out and get some stuff and get some gifts and stuff. But this week has been truly incredible. It's been the most amazing week. Great people. Everyone's so friendly. Staff is friendly. The hotel's clean. I love this hotel. Winderjammer is a really good hotel. The staff are so friendly. The food is good. It's just a good energy here. I really like it here. So and also, if you want to do all the stuff that we did this week, you need to check out Real Island Living. So that is the company that we went with to do all our tours. So the volcano spa, the waterfall, what else did we do? We did all these other things, but we went out in the evening to Rodney Bay. We did the Pearl pirate ship. That was good. So yeah, definitely check out Real Island Living and get booking, people, because this place you need to come to.